Hello, day 6 in China is over. Notice anything different about me? Didn't do much today, stayed inside and studied most of the time. And today I want to do something different, a little special. I want to give everyone a tour of my room, and to do that, it works better when I use the front camera. So that's why I'm recording myself in my closet mirror. Okay, so let's have a look around. And this is the view outside of my window. I'm on the 9th floor of the International Student Dormitory. This is Peking University in Beijing. That's the chemistry building. That over there, you can't see very clearly now, but you'll see better later, is the entrance of the university. And that is the ground floor. You can't open this window all the way. Maybe it's to discourage students from jumping off. I don't know. But this is the 9th floor, and I think it looks very nice. I really like this view. That's what you can see from outside, and this is what you can see inside of my dorm. That's where I sleep. This wall is what I used to record my first 2 videos. Wall of Chinese words. Only a few so far. This is where I record my videos now, and my desk where I study. And this is my closet with my Chinese papers. Not a very big room, but a very nice view, and it's big enough for me. Okay, so I want to go outside also and see what it looks like outside, but I'm gonna be a little quiet because it's still morning and I don't want to wake anybody up. So this is what it looks like outside. The lobby, bathroom, roommate's room, my room. This is just some girls. Okay, let's go outside. Hallway. So from this side, you can see the university. Peking University, from the International Students Dorm. And I think it looks very nice. Right now it's still morning, so it's pretty quiet, but in the afternoon it gets packed. There's tons of people everywhere. And on a clear day, you can see the mountains. Okay, I think that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later.